taxi right now. We're leaving Bogota, and we had a great time yesterday. We ended up staying at the hostel. We met a bunch of people and
a couple of Germans, a couple of Canadians, and
Dutch person.
Yeah, we made some friends at the hostel, and we just ended up just drinking at the bar at the hostel, and yeah, just chill and had a great time. Got shushed again. What else is new? Yeah, and this morning got up and got ready, had breakfast with them, and now we're on our way to the airport.
Yep, going to Medellin.
Yeah, Medellin. But I think some of the other people that are staying at the hostel right now are going to Medellin later, so we might be able to meet up with them later, but we're not sure. So we'll see. Yeah, it's really nice. It's always nice and sunny during the morning, and once the afternoon comes around, it's cloudy and then it gets cold.
Yeah.
So I'm excited to go to a warmer climate.
And the hostel we stayed at is pretty great, and we'll put a link to the hostel in the description down below. And all the tours we did, everything was good. It was a really good trip.
People are really nice there.
Yeah.
It's only a year old, so if you want to check it out, don't be afraid to stay at a hostel. See you guys at the airport. You waved.
I know, I waved off frame.
You waved off screen.
Take two. It helps to hit the record button. Okay, everyone? Take two.
And take three.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're now in Medellin. It's around 4 p.m. We landed around 2 p.m. and took the taxi from the airport. It took us probably about 30-40 minutes. So the airport is actually 12 miles away from the city center. So if you fly in and out of that airport, the Medellin MDE airport, just make sure you're prepared when you with your transportation.
Yeah, when we landed, I looked at Google Maps. I kind of panicked a little bit because I didn't realize it was so far. And Google Maps, it tells you that it's like an hour and 50-minute ride. So I was like, what's going on?
Yeah, but it's not.
Yeah, it was only about 35 minutes or so.
Yeah, so the weather's really beautiful. It's a lot warmer here than it is in Bogota. It's gorgeous. So I might have to buy some shorts because it's really toasty. And we don't really have anything planned for tonight because I don't have any organized tours for tonight. So most of the organized tours are during the day, during the daytime. So we're gonna book some of those for the next couple days that we're here. So yeah.
So now we're gonna go walk around town. There's this little cute area here with a bunch of bars and shops and stuff. So we're gonna go check that out until it gets dark, and then go probably hang out at the hostel.
Yeah, the city seems really modern.
It's really pretty too.
Yeah, just like just driving through, like coming in, just really beautiful modern buildings. We have to show some of those to you. It's really cool. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We'll go eat something.
Yeah. What a surprise! He wants to eat something.
My favorite pastime. So we found a place to eat. It's in the area that the hostel recommended we go. Actually, the restaurant they recommended is closed because it's a holiday, so not everything's open. But the neighborhood itself is really nice, and it's a bunch of little cute restaurants and bars. And we are at one now, and we got some, instead of craft beer, they call it artisanal beer. And it's a sweet stout. It's pretty good. It's kind of a light stout, with a little bit of sweetness to it. And we have some ceviche coming. They call it ceviche here. So